Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some running shorts. So we're gonna go ahead and try these puppies on here. These are nice and kind of good heavy duty running shorts. So I'll show you guys what we've got on the features first, and then I'll try them on for you. But inside we do have a lining, so we have a lined shorts, which are good. I like lined shorts better than the open ones because it just kind of holds things in better. You don't have to wear underwear with them. Okay, and then on the back we have a little zipper pouch so you can keep goos and things like that if you're going on a nice long run. You've got that. This one here is a size large, it looks like, so that will be good for me right now until I lose my weight. So it's good. It's got a string on there too. It's got a nice good bungee, and it's a bright color, which is nice. So it's got pockets here on the sides as well, so you can keep things in there. It's good. Okay, I'm going to try this on here real quick, and you'll see what it looks like with a human wearing it. I am about, probably close to 190 pounds at the moment, and about 5'10". So kind of gives you an idea of how it will fit somebody. Not exactly straight right now, but there we go. My arms go in here good. You could fit a phone in here if you're wearing it for the day, nice and comfortable. You've got easy access to the pouch back here. You could even put your phone in there if you're running. And it's good. It's got some good bungee to hold it up here, which is good. Nice strings as well. And here you can see the inner lining right there. So it's got good protection here to hold things in place where they need to be. I can get some good stretches and move around in this thing, and it's going to work fine. So this is a great, comfortable pair of shorts. I like these even just to wear around for the day. So if I'm going to the pool or something like that, these are always going to be those kind of easy to dry ones. So I'm just going to wear it around. And if I might be swimming or something, I can just wear these too. So these are great. If you like these kind of shorts, these are going to be good ones for you. I love it. So I'll be wearing these. You'll probably see me in the videos wearing these. Thumbs up.